Y'all want to learn how to make some of the best seafood boil? Well, look, I've been to Louisiana, I've tried their food, and we've been making this seafood boil all the time at our house. So if you want to learn how to make it the way we make it at Orozco's Kitchen, let's get started, man. Here's all the ingredients. They'll be listed down below in the description. And with that being said, let's get started. Get your huge pot and fill it up with water about 3/4 of the way. Bring it to a boil. Get your Louisiana crawfish powder. Throw 2 of those packets in there. And then we got our red potatoes. Throw those in there. And get you some of these frozen corns. I know you can go fresh, but these frozen ones are really good in this boil. So try it out, man. All right, as everything starts to finish cooking, you want to go ahead and place it in a separate bowl so you don't overcook it. Yes. It has flavor now because you cooked it in that Louisiana powder. You know it's the bomb. So now we got our sausage links here, and I recommend using Farmer John. Do not use anything else because Farmer John's, well, it has a snap to it. It just has a really good flavor, man. If you know what I'm talking about, if you know, you know. So once it's done, go ahead and pull those bad boys to the side. And you know, I've seen a lot of people cook and be like, oh, you don't put seasoning? Man, I put seasoning, dude. All right, get some 5 pounds of this shrimp unpeeled. It can be frozen, and I let it thaw out a bit so it can cook a little faster. And look, I'm just checking the temperature just to show my son how to use a thermometer. But I know when a shrimp is cooked. So now that these things are done, go ahead and throw them in your bowl, a separate bowl for the shrimp. And don't worry about covering them to keep them warm. I'm going to show you later how we're going to warm everything back up and keep everything nice and hot. So for now, just get all the shrimps out of there and put it to the side. All right, because the next step, we're going to go ahead and get those crab legs. All right, and this part is my son's favorite part. So now we have all the shrimps out the way, put it to the side. And yes, these are frozen. We bought these at Sam Club. We bought 2 of these bags. So he poured one, I poured one. This dude loves crab boil, man. He's a seafood freak, man. And you know what? At our house, so am I. So I'm telling him, get some of that Old Bay right here and hit it on that shrimp. You know, you gotta taste your food, man. You gotta see how it tastes. You know, and I'm talking like this because I like to. All right, so now we got our crab. It's pretty much almost done, and we're gonna go ahead and pull them off as they're done. And I'm just checking them right now, and I know that they weren't done at that moment, but now they are. So we're gonna put them in that same bowl that we have the shrimp. And it's good to have your kids surrounded by food and showing them how to cook, man, because one day they will be adults. You gotta show them how to get down, man, because you know there's a lot of haters out there that think that you don't know how to cook, but when you slap them in the face with some bomb, they can't say a dang thing. All right, now that we got some crab legs out the way, we're going to go ahead and make that bomb sauce. You know the sauce makes this thing. So check it out. Everything's here. Put to the side. We're going to bag it up later, but let's go ahead and make that sauce. Get you some butter. I used a ton of fresh garlic, and I chopped it up finely. So I'm going to use 4 sticks of butter, all that garlic. Go ahead and bring it to a boil and put you that Old Bay, some paprika, a ton of paprika. That is the secret, guys. Yes, put some lemon pepper. This is all you guys are gonna need. You can adjust as needed, as I did here. Put some extra paprika, start stirring it around. And another thing you guys want to do that people probably don't tell you is that seafood boil broth. Go ahead and put some of that into the sauce as well. It makes it taste way better, bro. This thing literally melts in your mouth. It's so good. All right, so let me show you how to put this together in a bag. So we got a turkey bag actually, and we put some corns, and we went ahead and started putting some of the sausages, and then we're gonna get some of the potatoes, and then we're gonna get some shrimps. We're gonna get some of the crab legs as well. So you want to really stack this bag. I have 2 bags, so all this made 2 giant bags. I would say it's probably about 5 to 10 pounds. I didn't weigh them, guys. All right, so I don't know the exact weight. So don't ask. All I know is we made a ton of this stuff for my son's birthday, and we had leftovers the next day. So go ahead and stack this up in this bag. Try to measure about half of it. So once this is all done, here it goes. You want to get that seafood broth, hit it with one of those, some of the sauce too, 3 of them. Get some more of the seafood broth, another 2. So look, and another one of these. So if you counted, yeah, it's about 4 of the sauce that you made, and then 4 or 5 of the broth. Once it's all in there, then go ahead and shake it up just a little bit, not a lot. Don't get crazy. And now we're all done, guys. And look, I'm gonna try some of the shrimp. All right, guys, I hope you had fun making this crab boil with me. It was a great time, and hopefully you guys learned how to make a seafood boil the right way. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. But before we go, let's try it out on a shrimp. Everyone's about to get here. It's my son's 8th birthday, so gotta get that bite. Woo, woo, woo. You know this thing's gonna be slamming. Oh my, that's perfect. If you want to get all messy like the crawfish places, boil places, go ahead and get some masking paper for paint. Put it on a table like this and get to town. Happy birthday, son.